Okay, my friend. So let's continue with this new video. We are now on the Nasdaq 100 index, CQG data feed, and we have a very interesting situation here because, as you can see, we had a particular interesting bullish session since yesterday. Okay, it is the yesterday session. Okay, we can see we had a very big range, and now we are probably, I think, in a bull trap area. Okay, I think it is very clear, especially if you work on a short-term basis. As you can see, each time each time the price print a new high, a new daily high. For example, like this morning at 6 o'clock, just here we have a new daily high. Okay, the price pull back in. We have a pullback, then new daily high again, just here and one here. It is interesting, it is important because it's a daily range extension. Okay, it's a price extension, it's a daily range price extension. So it is very important because, as you know, there are many traders when, for example, when they enter a short position on this area, and when the price is starting to be pushed down, going down, they usually put their stop just above the last high. Okay, so here it was the daily high. So that's why it's very, how to say, it's very important, and there are a lot of interest for the market maker to try to push the price just above this stop loss K price area. Okay, and this is what it did it just did it just here 6 o'clock and 2026, just here we print two new daily high, price extension, and boom, the price is pulled back in just below this short-term low. Up, we print a little bit just below, then price is going up again. We preserve the last daily high, a new pullback. Very interesting here, as you can see, 7 o'clock, at 7, very interesting, the price has printed just below this low and up, we push it up again. Really market making market. It's a classic one. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Each time the goal here is to get the stop loss. As you can see here, we have a resistance. Okay, one contact, two contact, resistance. Up, price is pushed just above this price area, and oh, we pull back inside the existing range, and we pull back. The pullback here was very deep, as you can see. We have pullback on just the price area that we had at 6 o'clock. Okay, then now The same thing, I think. The same thing. We have the same thing which is happening. Okay, we have print a new daily high just here. Okay, and the price have had started to pull back, and I think we can now do kind of stuff like this: a new daily high, probably above the psychological 16 price area, then a deeper pullback inside the range. Okay, kind of stuff like this: up, up, and up. Let me show. Let me show to you that this kind of setup we could probably see like this, then like this, for example. Okay, just above the 16 level. Then we could see stuff like this. We have this level. We have this level too. This one. This price area is good. Or this one, or this one. But I'm sorry. Okay. But I think we also, I think the most interesting level to pull back, which will be this one. First this one. After that, it's possible we have stuff like this. Then this one maybe likely directly here. It's possible. Okay. Then finally, after that, we will see. First situation, we continue lower. It's possible too. And if the market making remain bullish, as you can see on the market making compass, it's largely possible. For example, we have some day yesterday, the market making compass was positive all day long. It was crazy, all day long positive. So it's possible that today we have the same thing on the opposite side. Uh, we'll see that.